Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna discuss or solve about the unsolved problem in the Ignou books. So if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe it yet. So let's begin the magic. Question number 1. Plot the scatter diagram of the following data. Compute Pearson correlation between X and Y. Write the null hypothesis stating that the pollution correlation is 0. Test the significance of the correlation coefficient. So in this video we're gonna solve this question, that is question number 1 of our Ignou book, unsolved question number 1 of our Ignou book, with the Pearson row score formula. Yes, you heard me correct. We're gonna solve this Pearson row score formula. So let's do how to solve this question. To solve this question, I'm gonna write the data in the tabulation form, that is x and y. What is our value of x? X is our, you can refer to the book because I think it might be difficult for me to scroll up and down. So let me just write the data and then you can, till then you can see the book. So x value is 12, 13, 15, 17, 11, 9, 8, 10, 11 and 7. The value of y is equals to, just a minute, yeah, and the value of y that given to us is 20, 22, 28, 31, 22, 24, 18, 21, 23 and 16. So that is the given statement to us, and we have just make it in the tabulation form of the x and y. So what we have to do now, we have to form a new column of x square, say, and then y square and xy, because in the formula of the row square of method we're gonna use all this formation. So x square is, what we do, we're gonna square the x term, that is 12. So we're gonna square the 12 term, right? So write 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 15 square is 225, 17 square is 289, 11 square 121, 9 square 81, 8 square 64, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 7 square 49. Same as we did in the x square, we gonna also did it for the y square. So 20 square is 400, 22 square is 484, 28 square is 784, this is 8, 784, 31 square is 961, 22 square same 484, 24 square 576, 18 square 324, 21 square 441, 23 529, 16 is 256, that is y square. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply the x and y, right? So to get the xy, so let's do the product of x and y. X multiplied by y, that is 12 multiplied by 20 comes out to be 240, 13 multiplied by 22 is equals to 286. 15 multiplied by 28 gets 420. Now 17 multiplied by 31 is 527. 11 multiplied by 22 is 242. 9 multiplied by 24, that is 216. 8 multiplied by 18, that is 144. 10 multiplied by 21, 210. 11 multiplied by 23 is 253. 7 multiplied by 16, that is 112. Now we're gonna summation of all the columns, that is summation of x, that is 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 and also on, it comes out to be 113. So summation of x comes out to be 113. Same summation of y comes out to be 20 plus 22 plus 28 plus 31. All the y column, that is 225. Summation of x square, that is 144 plus 169 plus 225 sorry, and so on, which comes out to be 1363. Next column, summation of y square comes out to be 400 plus 484 plus 784 plus 961 and so on, that is 5239. And the last column, summation of x into my y, that is 240 plus 286 plus 420 plus 527 and the so on. It comes out to be 2650. Now what we have to do, we're gonna write the formula of row score method, that is Pearson row score method. The formula of row score method is R is equals to summation of x into my y minus summation of x into my summation of y divided by n whole divided by under root of Sx, that is standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. So this is the formula of row score method. Now if we're gonna put the value, we're gonna find out that we have xy value, that is summation of xy value, summation of x value and summation of y value. What we have not find till yet is standard deviation of x and the standard deviation of y. So let's find out the standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. So what is the formula of Sx, that is standard deviation of x. So standard deviation of x is equals to summation of x square minus summation of x whole square divided by n, that is the number of the term. So summation of x square, that is 1363 minus summation of x, that is 113 whole square, and n is number of the term or the number of data we have in the given series is 10. So which comes out to be 1363 minus 1276.9. So after subtracting 1363 minus 1276.9, we got 86.1. So the value of standard deviation of x is equals to 86.1. Now we're gonna do the same to find out the standard deviation of y, which is equals to summation of y square minus summation of y whole square divided by n. Summation of y square is 5239 5239 minus summation of y, that is 225 whole square, and n is number of term, that is 10 in this question. So 5239 minus 225 whole square divided by n, which comes out to be 506.2.5, and after subtracting we get 176.5. so standard deviation of y is equals to 176.5. so let's back to the formula. We have all the value that we are gonna require to find the row square method. So let's put this value in the formula. So let's write it again because there is no sufficient space above. R is equals to summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y divided by n whole divided by under root of sx and sy. Sx is standard deviation of x. So summation of xy that is 2650 minus summation of x is 113, summation of x is 113, and summation of y is 225, right? Multiply by 225 divided by n is number of term, and in this case we have 10 number of the term, whole divided by under root of sx. Sx is 86.1 and sy is 176.5 whole, which is equals to 2650 minus 113 multiply by 22.5. we have eliminated the 10, okay, and multiplying 86.1 by 176.5 we got 15196.65, which is equals to 107.5 upon में 123.27, and which comes out to be 0.865. so R is equals to 0.865. now we have value of R, that is 0.865. what does it shows? Plus sign shows that linearity is positive, that is slope of graph is positive, right? Now 0.865 86 shows the correlation between x and y are strong. What do you mean by strong? That is, if x increase, y increase, and if x decrease, y is also gonna decrease. So that's all the explanation for the question number 1 of the Ignou book Unsolved question, that is. I hope you like it, and if you have any doubts you can comment me in the comment box. So we're gonna meet up in our next video. Till then, stay happy, keep smiling, and keep gathering lots of memory. Take care, stay safe, stay home.